In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Ads. Logging into Google Ads can seem daunting if you're new to online advertising, but it's actually a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, we're going to go to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ads.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see Google Ads main page. This is the starting point where you can get familiar with what Google Ads offers, tools to help you reach more customers and effectively advertise your business online. Now, on this page, look for the sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the web page. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page. If you've used any Google services before, this process will seem familiar. Once you click sign in, you'll be directed to enter your login credentials. At this stage, you will need to input your email address associated with your Google account. This is the same email you use if you have a Gmail account or any other Google services. After you've entered your email, click Next. Now, it's time to enter your password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, and remember, it's crucial to keep your password confidential for security purposes. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option right there to help you recover it. Just follow the prompts to reset your password. After you've entered your password correctly, proceed by clicking Next once again. This will log you into your Google Ads account. It's a good idea to keep your browser up to date for the best experience, as older browsers might not support some of the newer features Google Ads has to offer. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your advertising campaigns, track performance, and explore different tools. From here, you can always aim to enhance your ad strategy, reach more potential customers, and keep track of how your ads are performing. And there you have it, you've successfully signed into Google Ads. If you plan to access Google Ads frequently, consider bookmarking this page for quick access. Remember, the key to mastering Google Ads is regular usage and exploration of its diverse functionalities. Hopefully this guide has made the process clearer and more approachable for you. Take your time getting familiar with the dashboard, and soon you'll be navigating Google Ads with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.